Hey everybody, I just got this shirt in from COOFANDY. This is a sponsored video from COOFANDY. They did send me this shirt in exchange for an honest review. I'm very excited about it. I did take the shirt out of the package and I did iron it because it had been packaged up in a vacuum seal bag. So I did iron it out to make it look better here. So you may want to do that. Be careful, I put it on a softer temperature to iron it, but I'm very pleased with this. This is this retro kind of bowling type shirt, loose fitting. You don't have to tuck it in. And so you can see right here, I've got some navy colored pants on, and I can see wearing this outfit for sure to work. I'm excited about the stylish fit. I've always really like these retro looking bowling shirts. Yeah, they're really cool, different designs. I used to wear some a while back quite often, and I kind of got away from it, I needed something new, and so I'm excited about this. This is very light feeling here, so I don't have any t-shirt on underneath here, so it's smooth to my skin and not uncomfortable. You can see it's a loose fit. Now I am a pretty big guy. I'm about 6'3", weigh close to 240 right now, so I'm working on that. But anyway, it fits nice and loosely. I like a loose fit here on these kind of shirts, and just really nice, just comfortable, stylish. I can put my hands in my pockets, move around. I've got room in the back where it's not going to come up and show my rear end or anything like that, so it falls over in the back well. So just a great looking stylish shirt. I'm really excited about it, and excited about the COOFANDY brand and wearing COOFANDY gear here coming up. So if you're looking for a nice retro looking bowling type shirt, you may want to look at this one I've got here. It's got this kind of a a light blue, baby blue kind of a look to it with the white stripes here. I'm excited about it. If you like these kind of shirts, you may want to take a look at this from COOFANDY like I've got.